guys, good morning. Welcome to your language center. So far we have studied about nouns, and we know that nouns are words that describe a person, place, thing, or animal. Those are common nouns. Proper nouns start with a capital letter, and they are the important names of people and places and things. Okay? So in your brain that you know that if it does not start with a capital letter, then it's a common noun. If it does start with a capital, like the name of our president, Donald Trump, or the name of a restaurant, McDonald's, those names are proper nouns because they start with a capital letter. Are words that end with an apostrophe S because they show ownership. Okay? For example, the dog's ball. If I was writing that sentence and I wrote the dog's, D-O-G apostrophe S, ball. The ball belongs to the dog. So the dog shows ownership of the ball because he has the apostrophe S. Okay? Some of you may be working in your notebooks today. Some of you all will be working with just pieces of paper, which is fine, whatever. Make sure, though, that your name goes on the notebook piece of paper or the piece of paper that you're working on somewhere. Make sure to keep your center clean. Keep your spot organized. Throw stuff away if you don't need it. Pause the video to get the supplies you need, okay? The supplies that you're going to need today is scissors, glue, and a pencil, okay? We're not writing with a crayon because crayons do not erase. Okay, first things first, title today. Possessive nouns. In a baggie on your table, you're going to get a title out. Possessive nouns. I can write possessive nouns, and you can. That's what you're doing today. You're writing possessive nouns. You're changing words. You're adding apostrophe S's to words so that they show ownership. Possessive nouns show ownership. Okay? With your scissors on the dotted line, cut that title out. And it is going to get pasted at the top of your page. Okay? So, there's my title. Look, I've got scraps. I'm going to put it away in my tidy tub. Keep my area nice and clean. Okay? Now, there's my possessive nouns title. I'm going to get my glue. Excuse me for just a second. I forgot to grab it. All right, got my glue. I'm going to add just a little bit of glue to my strip of paper for my title, putting it at the top so I know that when I look back that this page is talking about possessive nouns. Now, you should also get a box out of a baggie that looks like this, a piece of paper that looks like this. There should be some dotted lines. Go ahead and trim this paper and cut on those dotted lines so that it'll fit on our page better. Okay, you should just have one box. That's all we need for today. Because what we're going to do is exactly what our I can statement said. We're going to write words that show ownership. We're going to make them possessive nouns. I've got scraps. They're going in my tidy tub. Now, this is what I need you to do. With your glue, I want you to glue the whole box onto your piece of paper. Okay? So it's going to look like this. Okay? Got your title. We've got our box. Now we're ready. Okay. I want you to put your finger here. This is a picture of the little girl. She's reading a book. Okay? So this is what we're going to write in our box. We're going to write possessive nouns. So, the girl is a noun because she's a person. The book is what she owns. So, watch me. Girls, apostrophe, girls, book. And I ran out of the box just a little bit, but that's okay. Pause my video if you need to. But here's my girl. I followed the arrow up to this box. I wrote the word girl, apostrophe S, made it girl's book. This girl owns that book. That word girls is a possessive noun because it ends with apostrophe S. Now, this one, the dog has a bone. This dog owns that bone. So in this box right here, we're going to write dog, D-O-G, to make that dog show ownership of that bone. We're going to add apostrophe S and then write the word bone, B-O-N-E. Dogs, D-O-G, apostrophe S. Remember the apostrophe looks like a little dog's bone, okay? This dog is a possessive pronoun because he owns that bone. Lastly, this box right here, that's the boy's pencil. This boy right here owns this pencil. So this is a possessive noun. The word boys, because it has the apostrophe S, is the possessive noun, okay? So write the word boy, B-O-Y, apostrophe S, boy's pencil, P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. Pause my video if you need to, but we wrote the words boy's pencil. The word boys right here is a possessive noun because it ends with an apostrophe S. This boy owns that pencil. That's what possessive nouns do. They show ownership, okay? Now, you're done. That's it for today. So you can color this page, make it colorful. Otherwise, follow the directions that Miss Jenny gave you. If it's on a single piece of paper, put it in the finish tray with your name on it. Clean your entire area up. Put your glue back up. Put your scissors back up. Put your pencils, put your crayons back up before you do anything else. Put those things back up, okay? Put whatever Miss Jenny told you to do, put it away, and then you can move on to your next activity. But what I want you to know is that a common noun is a person, place, thing, or animal. A proper noun starts with a capital letter because it is an important name of a person or place. Possessive nouns are words that end with an apostrophe S because they show ownership. These words, girls, dogs, and boys, those three words are possessive nouns because they own the book, the bone, and the pencil. Because we added an apostrophe S, the reader that reads these words know that that book belongs to that girl. That bone belongs to that dog, and that pencil belongs to that boy because we added apostrophe S to the end of our words. Good job today, guys.